I don't know if you can really just hear that. It sounds so beautiful. Can't really see the rain hitting the ground. Jumping up little sprouts on the street. I love the rain. Of course, he wasn't doing this until I came outside and started singing. Thunder confirmation. It is very wise to fear the Lord. Remember that. I know I do. I know that most definitely I do. That's the beginning of wisdom. There. Thank you, Most High God, for all that you have given me and all that you have done. I want to pray for the person who sees this video, Lord, that they know and understand that you are real and that your presence is known and able to be felt and understood. That we are fighting with forces that are beyond what we see, and that sometimes our actions are guided by either the spirit of light or the spirit of darkness. And it is my wish to be driven by the spirit of light. Because I declare that darkness must flee. It is time for darkness to run. Whoa. The power of the tongue. My Lord, my God.